For a limited time, RYOBI Days are back, and now with free tools from RYOBI One Plus. Purchase this brand new 18-volt 3-amp-hour high-performance 2-battery and charger kit for just $99, and you'll get a free RYOBI One Plus tool of your choice. Choose from over 50 qualifying One Plus tools, like the new rotary tool, or the popular 6.5-inch circular saw, or even the compact power inflator. Start with a 2-pack battery charger kit. Get your free One Plus tool and get to work. Whatever your choice, they're all part of the ever-growing RYOBI One Plus system of over 125 great tools. It's never been a better time to add to or start your own collection of 18-volt One Plus tools. This deal is a limited time offer, only available during RYOBI Days. Yours before they're gone. Exclusively at the Home Depot. RYOBI. Pro features, affordable prices.